That's not good. Don't look at me.
Okay. Oh shit.
No, Keith.
Jesus, just grab the books. They're gonna fall there like leaning.
Get him off of there.
Just hit her away. Shitty.
Shoo. See, now that's like the last thing she's gonna want to do.
Just grab her, yeah.
I'm trying. Ah!
Just
Man, this is
push her
totally
up.
wasting the side of the...
What's the matter?
It's like went back to being short again.
Don't just grab them.
Well, how else am I gonna? I was
They're not
be,
gonna
like,
let you
running
hold them
back
for
and
that long
forth.
anyway.
Okay, just do it. I'm gonna be in here.
So you wanna know? Oh, man. So you want this girl? Oh man, I'm sorry. I just really. Okay.
You don't have to start over, because I can just cut it.
Oh,
Maybe you don't move too much.
okay. And I looked in her face. Oh. Wait, what is it? I think I missed up. Like, you're gonna film me getting on the computer, so I shouldn't have said that. Get off your computer. Is that good?
Yeah, that's good. Is that gonna be it?
I don't know. What else?
I'm sure it's
I'm
probably
getting
like
sort of
12.
flustered, actually.
Okay. Yeah, that's plenty long.